वेलकम टू द पार्ट 2 ऑफ फ्लाइंग इन पाइपर वॉरियर 2। पिछले पार्ट में आपने देखा कि कैसे निशांत, जो कि एक प्राइवेट पायलट है यहाँ पे यूएस में, हमें एक राइड पे लेके गए उनके खुद के प्लेन में। टेक ऑफ के बाद एक दूसरे एयरपोर्ट में टच एंड गो करने के बाद हमने 360 डिग्री टर्न किया अराउंड दिस रेस ट्रैक और अब आगे।
So now we are flying towards Winston-Salem, towards Greensboro, and there is a lake called High Rock Lake. That's probably like around 60-70 miles from Concord.
और उसके बाद जो हुआ,
Are you both like kind of motion sick, or you're okay with doing some steep turns and those kind of things? Sure. Just some turn, but without G-force. Sure. You let me know how it goes.
Okay, let us know.
So so what is, like, we'll do a 360, steep 360.
Sure.
Like, we start from east, we circle back to east.
Okay.
Big Carolina traffic, Skykeeper 10 Lima, Sterling base 20, touch and go, Big Carolina.
This looks awesome.
I'm just maintaining almost commercial standards without producing any G-force.
Oh, okay.
Now can I introduce a little bit of negative G?
Okay.
How about you?
Sure.
Little bit?
Yeah.
Two zero, touch and go, Big Carolina.
This is negative and this is positive G.
That was like a roller coaster.
Oh my god.
How do you feel now?
How do you feel?
Okay.
Good. That was really good.
Okay. Now to your left, to your right.
Oh my god.
And there is we do also
Big
kind of
Carolina
stalls.
traffic, Archer 915
Okay.
golf.
So what we do
10
is
miles
like,
per hour,
you know,
Big
like when
Carolina.
the airspeed is like less, the stall horn I told, right?
Correct.
Like, which will kind of drop.
No, don't.
No, it won't drop actually. I'm just showing the sound.
Carolina traffic,
So we just put the flaps.
Skyhawk 998 expected takeoff, runway 20.
Now full flaps. Now there is no power.
Array.
Carolina traffic, Skykeeper 10 Lima is on the go.
Yeah, I can hear the sound.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Now it's
That was
just free fall for 100 feet and then now.
correct.
Okay, now let's go for some relaxed flying.
Sure.
Let me go down a bit so that you can take some shots. So you good? So far so good?
Yes.
और फिर ये वाली अनएक्सपेक्टेड रोलर कोस्टर राइड के बाद हम पहुंचे हाई रॉक लेक।
A big lake.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Ah.
और ये लेक के अराउंड डिफरेंट एंगल पे फ्लाई करने के बाद बैक टूवर्ड्स द एयरपोर्ट।
Sure. Yes. Let's go back.
और फिर मैंने निशांत को सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछा कि वो कौन सा बटन है जो नहीं दबाना है, और फिर निशांत ने दिखाया ये लाल वाला, ये नहीं दबाना है।
नहीं दबाना था।
ये एयरपोर्ट का एयर स्पेस कंट्रोल्ड नहीं था, तो फिर से सिर्फ रेडियो पे अनाउंस करना था कि हम आ रहे हैं।
Now we'll need to announce them our position. Mid Carolina traffic warrior 522 is 5 miles to the northeast. We'll be entering 2 mile left base for runway 20.
So here in this airport, no one is going to respond. It is just we are announcing,
Yeah, announcing,
basically.
but all the airplanes in this pattern or whoever is approaching, they will have to be aware of us We have to be aware of them.
Correct.
So we are controlling amongst ourselves. Mid-Carolina traffic warriors 38522 is 2 miles left base. Runway 20 will be a full stop. Mid-Carolina. I switched on the lights there for your video.
You did
you
that.
can do that.
If you click 7 times, the lights will be on. Mid-Carolina traffic warrior 38522 is final for runway 20 will be a full stop. Mid-Carolina.
We'll be holding at 3,000 feet and setting up for the ILS at Fort Davidson.
Those are the poppy lights. One needs to be red and one needs to be yellow. That shows here on the correct light path.
That was very smooth.
Mid-Carolina traffic warrior 38522 has cleared runway 20. Mid-Carolina. We were landing at idle and we have to keep the mixture full rich for the landing phase.
Okay.
So what will happen is a lot of lead will accumulate on the cylinder heads or the spark plugs. So now I am running the engine where if I push a little bit further more it will quit.
Okay.
So that means it's running very lean. So the temperature will be very high on the cylinder heads. So it will burn the lead off. And also to own and maintain these planes, like you have to be mechanically strong as well. You'll have to understand each and everything, or else you won't be able to identify any issues even if you have any. Now the mixture is full shut, so the engine now quit. So that's how you switch off.
So every time you have to enter how much time you flew.
Yeah, how much time, date, in and out time from the hops meter.
बहुत ही अनोखा और अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस था. अ बिग थैंक यू टू निशांत जो हमें ना कि सिर्फ राइड पे लेके गए पर सब कुछ डिटेल में बताया एविएशन और फ्लाइंग के बारे में, विच वॉज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. यूएस में ऐसे खुद का प्लेन लेना और पायलट लाइसेंस लेना इंडिया से कंपेयर करें तो बहुत ही आसान है, इसलिए फ्लाइंग बीस्ट को भी आसमान में भारत बनाने के लिए यूएस आना पड़ा. एनीवे, जाते जाते निशांत हमें एयरपोर्ट की बिल्डिंग में ले गए. यहाँ पे हर एक स्मॉल रीजनल एयरपोर्ट पे ऐसी बिल्डिंग रहती है जहाँ पे बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज रहती है पायलट्स के लिए.
Here some for some in-flight planning.
Can see the map.
It's a small one. Like let's say you fly from here to Dallas, you find a small airport like this and get some fuel, food. You can rest for some time. Use the restroom. It's kind of a rest area of airports.
Correct.
For pilots.
Correct. बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था, लेकिन दैट डिपिंग वॉज वेरी स्केरी. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो इसे यूट्यूब पे लाइक कर देना और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.